Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrea, a London-based fashion photographer, and today we're in the studio with my new backdrop. And I'm doing something really cool that I haven't done before. A disposable camera challenge. How cool is that? I have here the holy grail. The disposable camera from Urban Outfitters. It's a Kodak. It's I bought it, I paid for it £15. It was from Urban Outfitters. So yeah. Really cool. I'm really excited for it, and I'm going to do this disposable camera challenge with Imani and with Rosie. So we have a makeup artist, the model who's doing her own styling, and yeah. Hope you like it. Hope you like the behind the scenes and the photos. So yeah, see you soon. Behind the scenes. Bye bye. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, the disposable camera challenge. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. You've already seen the photos. I haven't. I need to go develop it. Like, I need to get out of this to be able to see. So you have seen the photos, and hope you enjoyed it, because I don't know how they look like. But yeah guys, hope you liked the video. Let me know if you want more challenges like this. I'll see you next time with a new video. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.